Thanks for Dr. Ahmed Abdelazim to give me this opportunity for a talk 50 minutes only in this conference, the second international conference in mycology. I want to talk about my love. What? I want to talk about lichens. I love lichens so much. Give me 1 minute to listen this video. Please do kill this boring.
What are lichens? Lichens are living organisms, the result of a symbiosis between fungi and algae or cyanobacteria. They can be found in trees, on the ground, on rocks and on rooftops. Unlike plants, lichens do not have roots and they directly absorb all the substances in the atmosphere. Neither do they have any structures that protect them against harmful particles in the atmosphere, so they can be affected by all sorts of pollutants. This sensitivity to changes in the atmosphere and their constant exposure means that lichens react to very low doses of some pollutants, which has turned them into small, economic and highly reliable environmental bioindicators. In zones where the quality of the air is good, there will be a wide variety of lichens. However, in cities and industrial areas, they are rarely found. Lichens also maintain their metabolic activity throughout the year, and their morphology does not change, so monitoring them in a particular place over a long period of time can be very useful.
Thank you. We now know about lichens. I consider lichens that I consider it as daughter of fungi and algae, because it's a mutualistic relationship between algae and fungi. Why I am interested to study lichens? Important about in Ireland biodiversity, 1,165 species west of Ireland is very important. Why? Lichens are pollution indicators. When we found lichens, we found no pollutions. Okay. After in 1970, Houseworth scale put the scale about acid and basic dark of lichens. What used of lichens? Lichens in North America used 107 location in North America. Let me talk about uses of lichens. Lichens in ancient people like Pharaoh in Egypt or in around the world like North American used in dyes to dye to give beauty colors. Also lichens as in medicine. What medicine? Cure for rabies, for lung elements, antibiotics producer. Also used in beauty soak, like this, if we consider this weapon of woman. In Kenya. Lichens in cosmetics. Used it to cosmetics like hair powder, like perfumes, because it considered source of a lot of perfumes. Nowadays, paid by high cost in airport of Egypt, like example. Also, Egyptians use lichens to beauty dyes in out of wools. Lichens as a food. Lichens used in ancient history like a food, like now as molokhia. You know that? Cooked like molokhia. Removed lichen acid and boiling it so it used as a eat like that. Cooked lapo. This type of lichens, Laporia pulmonaria. What are lichens? Lichens in ancient Dalidi study it and describe it in a book of description of Egypt. Firstly, I talk about lichens as it's considered daughter of fungi and algae, because fungi partner give mechanical protection from injury, from high life, from being tightly implemented by hyphae of the algae, and improved water relation resistance to desiccation, provide minerals to another partner, algae. What photobiontic partner do? Organic acid neutrons like carbons and nitrogen provide by photobionts like nostoc genus, like Terpoxia genus. Gross forms of lichen. Lichens have more and more than shapes and forms grows in around the world and in Egypt also. Firstly, folios. The cellus lichen body is leaf-like, may have resin. I saw this. Second, fruticose is shrubby branched. Leprose is powdery, no fruit body. Now we ask it where lichens in Egypt. Where you see after the lichens in Egypt? Yeah. Third type, crustose, sorry. These lichens of Egypt. During my survey under supervisor Dr. Abdel Azim, we found and discovered lichens in Egypt in Kassasin city, this in Ismailia. So it grows on citrus trees. So that and collect sample to give it my chance to do my experiment in Dr. Ahmed laboratory. Firstly, I washed it under running water to remove any wastes from it. Second, I prepared it to do my experiment, what lichen maybe do in Egypt. Yeah, this lichen of Egypt. You see beauty? Beauty? Yeah. Beauty picture. And more beauty and more type we are found in Egypt in one side also. This is under ultraviolet light, camera of mobile. And this shape. Now, this is step to work on it. To what lichen do? What used of lichen? What different of lichen in Egypt and another countries? We want lichen have differentiations or one difference also about another lichens in the world. Let me show after that. After incubation in PDA media, we found these shapes, like a test we give it in our antibiotic courses. This show growth of fungi, and around it area this displays another growth of fungi. This shape gives our mind to think what lichen do this. This is not overcrowded, this is not contamination, this is from lichens. We worked on endophytic or endolichenic fungi with exception bacteria. I love bacteria, but not like lichens or not like fungi. So, what the next step? After we found this growth from Egyptian lichens, I don't know what to do, but I know well how do it. Why? Because our laboratory in Faculty of Science don't prepare it enough, and we are limited. I need to prospection the lichen's structure and chemical structure. Maybe found this antibiotics for resistant bacteria. This is fake in the world nowadays. Yeah? Maybe found that. Yeah? In 2009, eosinic acid found in lichens in America. So, lichen in Egypt, what I can found, I don't know. Maybe another to cancer therapy, cancer treatment. Why not? Why not lichen gave me chance for prescription new drug for cancer? Why not? But actually I don't have tools, I don't have prepared laboratory for do this experiment. Any support with me will help me to discover and change the world with fungi. Why not? Enjoy with beauty lichens. Yeah, thank you.
Excellent.